Hello guys, so in today's video I will be sharing with you the new update that I have added to the Liquidity Daytrader EA. I have added some new features that will help you improve your trading performance. So let me just show you the most important feature. It's the maximum profit percent. This is not like a problem, but the maximum drawdown daily. So it will look at the previous trades, if you did any trades before using the EA, and it will not trade if the maximum drawdown exceeds this limit. Like if you have prop accounts and you don't want to exceed like the 1% maximum drawdown per day, then this is what you need. Now, the other features that I will be showing you, let's first look at the I have added 4 presets that you can use. So for people who want to use like the all automated strategy, they can use the grid on all Camarella levels. This is for people who want to use like the fully automated. This is, I think, for people who don't want to bother with learning and knowing how to use the other features of the EA. So it will automatically just buy and sell on the Camarella levels that are present here. Like it will use them as reversals. So whenever there's a Camarella level, it will use it as a reversal. Now, one of the things that I have added is that you can choose if you want that the bounce from the Camarella level, how many pips it should go up, and then let's say down. So you can, here it's by default I put it to 0, as you can see here, the turn distribution, and I have explained all these in the PDF file, which is available also with the EA. I have explained all the inputs. So if you want, for example, that it will go up above the level 5 pips and then down 5 pips before taking the trade, so you can put here 5. Okay. Now it's also the trigger that I'm using for the triggers here. I'm using the 5-minute time frame. So you can choose anything you want, 15 minutes, 30, 1 hour, but for me, I'm using the 5 minutes. This is useful when you are using this EA on higher time frames, like for example, 1 hour or 4 hours, and you want the entry trigger to be based on the 5 minutes to get the best entry. So let's see the other features that I have added. Okay, so let's just add the reversal lines. Okay, so now with the reversal lines, here it will help you to, we don't need these. Let's say you want to monitor, for example, certain levels on the chart. So you want to sell above this level, but you want to sell if there's like a trigger. So one of the triggers that I have, like the instant FX or the different color in Heiken Ashi. So it will wait until it goes above this level. This is because we have the sell here. Now if you want to remove it, you just click it again, and you buy the buy level, you can also choose it and you can delete it. So let's say you want to look for opportunities if this line is broken, and then we have a trigger to go in the opposite direction. So when you choose your levels, you just put on, and it will automatically monitor these levels for you. Okay, so this is very easy. If you are using, like, this can work with the grid as well, with different like the instant effects and all the other triggers. Now another feature I have added is also something that is useful for a lot. It's the tight range breakout. So what does this mean here? Okay, so let's say, for example, you want to buy this candle. Okay, you want to buy the high of this candle and you want to sell the like stop loss at the low of this candle. and you want to do the same here, but you want to do it several times. So every time the market will go below here and up, you want to buy this candle and try with it. So what you can do, you can just put here, this is the stop loss, so it will go there, and when we press on TRSL, it will give us also, this is our entry, we want this if it goes up, and this will be our stop loss. So anytime the market will go up and cross over this line and go down, we will have an entry, okay, and this will be our stop loss. So every time it will do that, we will have an entry. And also here the same. So every time the market will go down and cross below this green line and cross above it, we will have an entry, and this will be our stop loss. Now, the important thing that you need to know is that this EA will automatically trail the trade. So for example, if the trade goes up like 1 hour, you can have like your so let's suppose, for example, we have an entry here. What it will do, it will automatically, every time we have like this going to the hitting, let's suppose it go up, it entered, it triggered the entry, and it went down, and it reached the start trailing at 3R. So this, it will automatically move the stop loss to break even, and every time like the market moves down 1 hour, it will trail it with 1 hour. So when it's at 3R, we will have our stop loss at 1 hour, and then once it starts like going 4R, we have 2R. You can change these factors, but the idea is that you will be able to trail using the R levels. So the risk that you will be taking from here to here, this is what you will be able to trail. And also the same, let's just see from here. Let's suppose that the market went down to here. It will also look at the R for the risk, and then every time it goes up like above a certain level that you can choose, it will start to move the stop loss and trail the move based on the risk level. Okay, so this is practically it, and we can just also do the same. We delete everything, and the last feature I have added is the manual trading assistant. So if you want to trade manually, you can. You just have now the good thing I have added is I added a monitor. Like if you put monitor active, it will look for signals. So it will look for arrows, and if you press here the sell, it will be sell monitor. So it will look for sell arrows to start selling. So you will not be able to enter manually like just at market. It will do the confirmations for you. Also, you can have like if you want to buy, also it will look for buy. So if you just want the buy, then you can just double click, and then you have it like released. So you can choose buy or sell or both, and also you can close. Now if you don't want to activate the monitor and you want to enter at market, also you can. So you can just enter a trade like now, and you can just close it. Okay, and here was the stop loss, and it will do the target, which was here, and everything is calculated for you automatically.